What's up, guys? Welcome back. Malik here, and today you can see I'm down 2%. So today was actually a rough day for me. I actually lost pretty big. I recovered some of it and I still have a running trade, but overall today was a bad day. I kind of went full tilt. I was wrong sizing up. It was just a very bad day overall, but perfect opportunity to document all my mistakes, see all of my mess ups, and I can improve from there, right? So the first trade I took at 9:14, it was a sell. All of my trades today were actually sells. I took 3 sells today, but some were bigger losers than they had to be. And today, this was just a test of my psychology. So there's so many things against me today. It's Thursday. Thursday typically does not have good price action from what I'm seeing. And if it continues like this, I promise you I'm never trading Thursdays ever again. Like if next week is the same thing where I can't get a clean move or it's just nasty and wicky, I am not trading Thursdays again. But my first trade, I basically got stopped out for a loss of 66. I got stopped out on the same candle I entered, which is the 9. You can see it here. Then on the 9:57, I entered bearish again, but I said, I'm not sure. I just went full tilt because it seems like I was forcing the market to go my way, but it definitely didn't go that way. It went completely against me. I took a loss of 193 on that second sell side trade within about 10 minutes. So that one really, really burnt. And you can see I entered with a 0.4 here. So I entered another sell, entered with a 0.4. Even if I had moved my stop loss higher to take a bigger loss, I would have still got knocked out. Still. Ideally, if I had entered on the 10, probably would have had a better chance, but there's still a possibility that I could have gotten knocked out. So this second one was a loss of 193. And then the third one I entered on the 10 candle and actually closed it at 10.36 for some profits. But then I still had a bigger stop loss. So you'll actually see it here. Entered at 39890. My take profit was somewhere down there. And then my take profit was 39810. So this one I went super big on. I'm not going to lie. I went in with a 0.5. It's good to see that I can actually enter 0.5s on this, because if you're right on the direction on a 0.5, you can pass the challenge in one trade, one good trade, I believe. So my stop loss was 399, and it is still 39960. So my stop loss was and is still above that previous wick, and I'm looking for the market to probably come down from here. But I initially took profits here on the 10 as price kind of came back into that zone. I didn't get stopped out on the second candle. The 12 o'clock candle, market pushed down and started to kind of come back up. So we'll see how the market trades, and I can actually leave this here until tomorrow. So we will see if it comes and takes up my stop loss, or if we're able to come down and kind of test this area, which would be great profits on a 0.25, right? But Thursday and Friday, I always see the market move quite indecisive. You can actually see I have the same trade here with a 39890 entry, same stop loss. The lots are half of my entry, of course. Which was 0.5. So let's get into the watch list now. Let's start with Bitcoin. I'm not sure what Bitcoin did today. Bitcoin not really moving much. So we're at 57398. I mean, you have some move at 8, but then you have a sell-in for the rest of the day. This would have been your move for the day, actually. This next one is Tesla. Tesla actually had bad news today, where I think it was Reuters actually reported that they are delaying their robotaxi event that was supposed to be in August. It's actually going to be in October. And that actually was a negative catalyst for Tesla. And it turned out to be a positive catalyst for Uber and actually Lyft as well. Slightly for Lyft, more for Uber, but Uber had a big bounce as soon as that news came out. So let's actually document that Tesla price dropping down about $30. My portfolio must be eating crap right now. IMMR going to the moon at 10.84 is crazy. Bitfarm should be coming down. Bitfarm is basically the same. This is why I believe it's just trying to build up so people pile in before it can go down. Because it's just at the same level, not following Bitcoin. It's like it's doing its own thing, but that's not, I don't believe that at all. Nvidia actually had a huge sell off today at 126. Interesting. I didn't see that. AMD probably a sell. Barely. AMD at 181. So AMD is definitely holding up. SMCI at 880. So not really selling as yet. Let's move this over. This next one is ASML at 1062. Then we have Eli Lilly at 934. And then we have TLT at 9352. So overall, let's see. MMR still showing strength. Tesla sell off from robo taxi delay. Nvidia sell. Bitcoin unchanged. Bitfarm unchanged. I think looking for victims. I mean, that's it for today's video. You can see it's pretty short. What can I say about my day? I would say just that Thursday, Thursdays just don't trade clean to me. On anything, Thursdays don't trade clean. Let's see if it looks that way on the Nas. Well, Nasdaq had a clean sell day today. Like, clean, right? So, maybe I'm wrong. Clean sell day. Rest of it would have been nothing. So, maybe I was just wrong there. But I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.